kinds of audio connectors. First, the TRS connector. The letters TRS stand for tip, ring, and sleeve, and refer to the parts of the jack plug that the different conductors are connected to. 4. Your guide on wiring connection. For a TRS connector, just follow the diagram. It is also called 1/4 inch connector. Second, the TS connector. TS cables are generally used for mono, unbalanced signals. These are most commonly used with electric guitars. 4. Your guide on wiring connection. For TS connector, just follow the diagram. Third is the RCA connector. The name RCA is an acronym for the Radio Corporation of America, which originally designed the system in the 1930s. The term RCA connector can refer either to the plug, on the end of an RCA cable, AV audio cables, or to the socket you insert these into on a device. Just follow the connection of photo, so you could do it yourself. Fourth is the XLR male connector. The XLR connector is a type of electrical connector primarily used in professional audio, video, and stage lighting equipment. XLR connectors are cylindrical in design, with 3 connector pins, and are often employed for analog balanced audio. First pin is the shield, or ground. Second pin is the positive, or hot. Third pin is the negative, or cold. This is the diagram pinout for wiring connection of XLR, male. Fifth is the XLR female connector. This connector usually used on audio output mixer and other audio devices. This is the diagram pinout for wiring connection of XLR female. Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell.